Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to export a GIF in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page right here. You'll be greeted by the composition menu where you can go ahead and get started creating a new composition. It's going to look like this, so just go ahead and select all your options and click on OK to get started. So here is our composition guys, and now let's say we have already created our GIF. This is our video project right here and the GIF is created. Now we want to go ahead and export it. This is what we can do. So if you have already added your GIF and you have edited right here by adding the source and so on, what we can do is click the file option right here in the upper left corner, which is going to open up this new drop down menu of all the options. And if you find all the options that you have right here, as you can see, one of them is going to be called export. So what you want to do guys is you go ahead and edit your render queue. You can go ahead and edit your Adobe Media Encoder queue where you can go ahead and manage more info and details regarding your render. But if you have already got everything you need, you can just edit your render queue and it's going to appear right here. And here you can go ahead and select the render settings. So make sure all the settings for your GIF are correct, and the output module, and in the output module you can select the format and so on. So as you can see, here's the format. So select the format that you want to use for your GIF, and after selecting everything that you need right here, such as the video output and so on, you can click OK and then click render to get started with rendering the GIF. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.